गुनगुनाती है समा सल्ली अला खुशियाँ
Saudi Islami's publisher, Maktabatul Madina's published book, Sirat-e-Mustafa, consisting of 873 pages, states on page 569, with the reference of Ash-Shama'ilul Muhammadiyya, the blessed face of the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam, was the reflection of divine beauty and the center of spiritual refulgence. It was extremely graceful and with some reasonable roundness. Hazrat Sayyiduna Jabir bin Samra radiyallahu ta'ala anhu stated that once I saw the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam on a full moon lit night. Then I used to look sometimes at the moon and sometimes at the blessed face of the noble Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam. So then I concluded that I found the holy face of the noble Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam more beautiful than the moon.
गुनगुनाती